Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. If your Windows security is not opening on your Windows 10 or 11, don't worry. I will show you some quick and easy fixes and it will work properly. So let's get started. First and main important thing is restart your computer, because restarting computer can fixes small issues. To do that, just click on Windows, Power and restart this. Second thing is checking for updates. To do that, press on Windows on your keyboard and write settings. And you can find this, just click on it. Now from here, click on update and security. So I have some updates available. So if you have also, then just install them. So for this tutorial purpose, I'm not installing them right now. Number 3 is run a troubleshooter. To do that, again open the Windows, go to settings and again click on update and security. In the left side panel you can see a tab troubleshoot. Click on it. If you have any problem in your machine, then you can see there is an option run a troubleshooter. So I have not any problem on my PC, so it's not showing in my machine. The next step is disable all the third-party antivirus. If you have another antivirus program, it might be blocking Windows security. So try turning it off, at least temporarily. Fifth but not in least is restarting your Windows security services. To do that, press Windows plus R and type services.msc. Now hit enter. It will show you a list. Scroll down and search for Windows Defender options or Windows Defender services. In my phone it's already running. If it's not in your device, then just click on right button of your mouse and start or restart this by clicking this. So in my case it's already running, I don't have any issue, so I'm not doing that. Just closing this window. And last step is checking for corrupted files. To do that, again press on Windows and search for command or CMD. You can see command prompt, open or run as administrator. Click yes and write sfc/scan now. Now hit enter. It will take some time, but it will scan all the corrupted file and fix them automatically. I'm not going to do that right now. That's why I'm just closing this. So these are the 6 easy steps you can do to fix your problem of Windows security. And now your Windows security should be working again. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tips. I will see you in the next video.